What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are finally going to be getting these rims and tires onto the Jeep back here, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC. Welcome back. So we are ready to get these wheels and tires onto the Jeep. I already took the liberty of mounting one on the tire, but we still have to get these bead locks installed. So what we're going to do first is get each rim on the tire and then install the bead locks, then take the tires off of that Jeep, install these tires and rims onto this one, and then we're gonna see how they do. These rocks tires is what they're called. Super Swampers, very nicely detailed, and if you can see the tread pattern right there, it is look like it can do some rock crawling. Now the stock tires that come with this, they are okay. They're basically stock. They're enough to get you started, but if you really want to get into rock crawling and see what obstacle this thing can tackle, I would suggest getting these. Now I don't know how they operate or how well they do, but that's what we're going to find out. So let's stop talking and get started. Okay guys, so I think I got the tires on here properly. This is actually my first time doing this, so we'll see what happens once we install it on the Jeep. Yeah, so now I'm going to take these bead locks and go around and install them on each tire, and I'll come back when I'm done. Guys, so update, this is what one tire looks like fully completed. You can see the bead locks all the way around here on the outer rim and on the inner rim. When you flip it around, you got all the locks right there, and this one is ready. I still got to do these three, so let's get it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got all 4 tires and rims mounted. I'm going to say balanced, and they're ready to be installed on the Jeep. So now it's time to take the tires off the Jeep and mount these guys on the Jeep. So let's get started with that. This was a challenge, I must say. Not a challenge, but a learning experience as well as time consuming. Yeah, I didn't think it would take probably 45 minutes to do this, but it did. But hey, it was fun, and I'm learning new things as I go, and I'm excited to see what these tires can do. They better walk up walls, go crawl up walls for the work that you got to put in. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the tires mounted on the Jeep, and yeah, we'll go from there and test them out, because I know that's what you guys are waiting for. You're wanting to know if these grabbers, rock crawlers, are worth the money? So we're going to find that out. Alright guys, so I got the tires off, the stock tires off, and I put the new tires and rims on. They're not mounted because I am missing a step to complete this process. I forgot the tire glue that needs to go around the lid of the tire in between the rim. As you can see on here, focus, yes, I need some glue to go on the inside and on the outside, and I don't have that. I know, I'm sorry, my bad, but this is just going to have to be continued until, well, this just going to have to be put on pause for right now until I get the tire glue, because I don't want to mount them, because I can't mount them until I get the glue. I mean, I can't tighten them down until I get the glue. So this is just to give you a look or a glance at what it looks like, or what it will look like once it's finished and complete. So I'm super excited to finish it up, but I cannot mount them on there and test them on this video because I don't have the glue. My bad, my apologies. But if you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell, you'll know when a new video drops, and you'll be able to see what these tires can do, because on the next video I will have them mounted. I will have the tires glued, ready to go. They'll be mounted, and then we're going to test them out. So you just have to stay tuned for that. Just make sure you're following us on the Instagram for the inside scoop, because the people on the gram know everything before the people on the tube. So if you're following both Instagram and YouTube, you get to be in the loop. With that being said, I'm going to close out this video. Appreciate you guys taking your valuable time for watching, and stay tuned, because we're going to get these tires mounted, glued up and everything. I gotta hit on Amazon right now and order it, and it should be here in 2 days. So the next time you see this video, these guys will be on, and we're going to hit the trail. All right, so y'all be easy. Stay tuned. Peace.